to do with this toy? Parents can give children the opportunity or the chance to choose the colors or shape that they want. Parents as well can do counting numbers from 1 to 12. Alright, first, parent needs to take out the shape or the colors. Then, parent can start pronounce the shape. This is, for example, this is yellow. This is green. Or this is a circle. Then, parent can also give the opportunity or chance to children to use or choose which shape they want. For example, what color do you want? What shape do you want? Do you want circle or triangle or star? You can take that shape and put on its place. That's the thing. For example, you want star? Okay, put on its place. Like that. Alright, the first benefit that we will get from this toy is will improve children motor skill because they will use their fingers to pick the beat and put on its place. Second benefit that we will get from this toy is will improve eye and hand coordination because when child try to match or put the numbers, the color, the eyes and the hand will move together. That will improve their eye and coordination. Alright, the third benefit of this toy is will improve the cognitive ability of child for their shapes, for their colors or numbers. They will more recognize the numbers, the colors, and the shapes. And the suitable age for this toy is 3 years old and above. It depends on parents' goal, actually. Alright, thank you, and that's all for this toy.